guys, it's Courtney. Today we have something new to open, which I'm very excited about. It's the Disney Doorables, 45 to collect, and there's 2 or 3 in these little packages.
Okay.
So it's got like all Disney characters from all the movies. Look at Captain Jack there. Rapunzel, yeah. So we're gonna crack these open right now. Super cute packaging. It's like a little house. Open like this.
That's why they call it Doorables.
Yeah. Checklist and...
Ooh.
Oh my gosh!
Whoa! It's like the black and white Mickey Mouse.
Whoa!
Is that Minnie Mouse?
Looks like Mickey Mouse. And that guy from...
Whoa! It's those monkey things in the store.
It's from like the Raya movie, maybe?
Yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah, we always see like the 3-pack of like plushy monkeys.
Yeah.
In, like Target. That's one of them.
There's a big long checklist. Let's see if that Mickey's a rare.
Yeah, show what's up.
So we got Jeweled Princess. Oh my gosh, I love
all
these.
the Disney princesses.
Peter Pan. Oh my
look
gosh.
at that frog. I want that one.
Yeah, Tinkerbell. I love Mr. Smee. Okay, Winnie the Pooh. Oh.
Okay, those
adorable.
are scary. Look at the eyes.
Look at Boo, or Roo, I mean.
I want Winnie the Pooh. I like him.
Snow White and the 7 Dwarfs.
They got a lot of those.
Oh, look at Dopey.
They got all 7
So
dwarfs
cute.
too. That's a lot.
Yes. The other side.
Oh yeah, it's the
I'm
Raya.
excited for the Little Mermaid.
Raya and the Last Dragon. Which we'll find out what monkey we got.
Yeah, I knew it was one of those. My favorite movie of all time from Disney. Oh my god.
Okay, I want that flounder.
Yes, and Sebastian. Oh my gosh. Alice in Wonderland, such a great movie. Aww. And limited edition. We got the Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, we got limited edition Mickey Mouse in our first one ever. That is so cool.
Yeah, and I love Dumbo. That's like a big childhood movie for me. Oh, very nice.
Cool. So let's show what we got right here. Open these suckers up.
I love their eyes. They're all sparkly and big. Super cute.
Ooh, look at that. Dang, it's sparkly. That's cool. Our first one we get so rare. High five.
I know, right? And it's Mickey Mouse, super iconic.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love him.
Yeah, super cool. Good start to this
And
unboxing.
then let's do the Raya monkey here.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Yeah, can you figure
Yeah,
out
I'll find out which one it is.
Here he is. He's super adorable. Disney Doorable.
We got Uka.
Uka.
U-K-A, Uka.
Oh, he's so tiny and cute. He's sitting like a baby.
Oh, yeah, I like that. These are pretty cool, actually.
Yeah,
I didn't know what to expect getting into this.
I think they're most well known for like their eyes being like that and like glittery and.
That's why they call them adorable.
Yeah. Ooh. So let's open the next one.
There's only 2 in that one, so you can get 3. Let's see if I can get a heavier one and get 3. I don't know. These kind of feel the same. I'm going to go with this one, though. So here's my first ever Doorable right here. Opening the door. That's so adorable. Checklist. And we got 2 right here to pull out. Let's see. Whoa. Okay, so we got one of the dwarves right here.
That's Smee.
Smee?
That's Mr. Smee from freaking Peter Pan.
Oh, okay.
That's Peter Pan Smee.
Okay, so here we go. We got Mr. Smee from Peter Pan right here. I thought this was a dwarf. This guy looks like a dwarf.
Oh,
He's got feet.
Oh.
Look at that. He got sparkly eyes. He's got feet. Okay, we got Roo from Winnie the Roo. I'm just kidding, Winnie the Pooh. And this one is fuzzy. So I don't know if it's supposed to be, because these other ones are like all plastic. So if this is like rare or something, let us know in the comments. But yeah, this one is pretty cool. I always love Winnie the Pooh.
Super cute, Roo. Oh, it's fuzzy. Let's focus that. Oh, look at the eyes.
Yeah, that's really good.
Super cute, really fuzzy, adorable kangaroo. Kangaroo.
Kangaroo, get it?
Alright. So let's see if this last one has 3 in it, maybe. I'm super happy with what we got so far. Alright, guys. Let's open this door. Oh. Oh, it's just 2. Oh my gosh, Princess Tiana.
Is that from The Princess and the Frog?
Yes.
Okay.
And we got one of the 7 dwarves.
Let's see who that is.
It looks like Sleepy, maybe. So we got Sneezy here from the 7 dwarves. He's super cute with the long hat. Oh, I love Snow White.
That's pretty
Super
cool.
cute. We also got Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. She's got like a clear, sparkly dress. She's super cute with her little hair and the green. She's awesome. She's got like red eyes.
Oh, that's not good. Evil.
Evil. So let's line them up and pick favorites. Okay, guys, here they all are lined up looking cute for us. I'm super happy with what we got today. We definitely have to get more of these. It's hard to pick favorites because I love Smee, I love the cute kangaroo, the dwarf, Mickey Mouse. So why don't you pick favorites first?
Oh, I already know my favorite. This is easy. I'm going with that monkey thing.
Yeah.
Uka. I always like those things. I remember we went to Target months ago and we saw like that 3-pack of the stuffed ones and I'm like, should I get those? Like I didn't see the movie or anything. I just wanted the monkeys.
Yeah,
and that's the
super
cute one.
Yeah,
look at these guys' little feet
He's
together.
like a little innocent baby.
Yeah, so that one's by far my favorite of the day.
I think my favorite is either Mickey Mouse or Sneezy here. He's adorable with that little beanie on.
Man, I mean, that Mickey Mouse limited edition is really cool. Of course, we got a rare one. I mean,
the first try.
really good luck. So, that is cool.
I can't wait till the day I pull an Ariel or something from Little Mermaid. Oh my gosh.
I think we'll be definitely getting more of these. These are really cool. I like these a lot.
I was really happy with these.
So, if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like it, comment your favorite one of these, and subscribe for more RC Toy Reviews content. You can follow us on
Instagram is RC Toy Reviews, TikTok rc.toyreviews.
Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye-bye!
Thank you. Bye-bye.